It is the Big Ride Home with your man Bigg. We talking about it today, man. I'm feeling good.
Feeling way better.
I'm feeling way better. I sound bad, but I'm
No,
feeling
you
well.
sound significantly better than you did.
I
last
did.
week.
See.
See, I told you on the phone earlier. I was like,
I
oh,
think I
he's
got one
feeling
more
good.
day.
One more day,
Mm-hmm.
which means you'll be well in time for Turkey Day.
Yeah, I should be resting. Trying to rest. Family dynamics. She's in the building, fresh. We talking about family dynamics during the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas,
Yes, all
Kwanzaa.
that.
Family dynamics sometimes lead. I mean, it's mental health.
It's definitely mental health. Here's
Sometimes
the thing.
it's
Go
great
ahead.
to see the parents.
Yes.
Parents,
Siblings,
grandparents,
aunts,
siblings,
uncles,
cousins, all that
yes.
good stuff.
Yes.
Sisters, brothers.
Right.
And you said siblings, I'm sorry. But sometimes your family dynamic can cause you to have anxiety. You haven't spoken to someone in a long time. You know, you had it out with somebody in the family and you don't want to see them, or you're trying to be. It's anxiety because you know what's going to happen when you get there.
Yes.
There's going to be a melee. We're going to mess up Thanksgiving. Like, it messes with you.
It really does. Well, I think you actually said one of the bigger issues is you don't know how it's going to be.
Right.
Because every year, some people only see each other on holidays
Mm-hmm.
because of whatever reason, like you live too far away or whatever the reason is. So I think for a lot of my clients, what they've been talking to me about is, well, this is the plan in terms of like, I'm traveling to their house,
Right.
I'm staying with them, I got the kids, so-and-so is remarried, so-and-so is divorced, I haven't seen so-and-so since so-and-so died. Like all these different dynamics going on. And the big part that worries a lot of my clients and a lot of us in general is what is it going to be like when we get together?
The unknown. Fear of the
Right.
unknown.
Yes.
I got you. Also, family dynamic is you not being available to go home or go hang out with everybody.
Right.
Or you being like, yo, I don't even want to go.
Right.
Like, I want to go, but I'm not going at all
Mm-hmm.
because I don't want to deal with it.
Right.
And the other part's like, I want to go and see so-and-so and so-and-so and so-and-so,
But
I know so-and-so going to be there,
Right.
so
Right.
I got to go, but I don't know how I'm going to handle it. We talking about that.
Yep.
What's the first things we do? Keep it live right here. It's Coast 97.3. Drip Demeanor, Missy Elliott, featuring someone like not SOMEONE, it's like SUM, the number one. Shouts out to someone singing on that joint. She's in the building, fresh, the licensed professional therapist. We're talking about family dynamics
Yes.
during the holidays and how to deal with those things.
Yep.
You get home like, oh my God, it's too many. For example,
Yes. Please.
when I was a bachelor and staying by myself, it was just me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I come home for Thanksgiving, it's like 1 million people at the house. I'm like, bruh, like, it's too many people at the house.
Too many people at the house?
Yeah, come ready to go.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So you deal with that. You deal with old situations from the family. I don't want to deal with so and so because they always coming in here doing this. And it's gonna be an argument. Blah, blah, blah. What's some things you can do to kind of stay sane or okay throughout your holiday experience?
So the first thing is do that prep work. So one of the things I'm going to recommend as a prep work thing is have your I always have my phone a friend.
Okay.
So most of my family lives in New York. So when I go to New
Phone
York,
a friend.
yeah, I always make sure that I have someone that knows my family dynamics.
Okay.
This person has met my family, so that I can call and be like, you will never believe what so-and-so said.
Oh.
Or da-da-da, like someone where I can step outside or step in the car and close the door. Like a friend, phone a friend, someone you can call to kind of vent to, let them know what's going on, what's happening.
Right.
So that would be my first, and like I said, that's prep work. So you need to have that person kind of identified before you go into the situation.
Right.
And it can be someone within your family. Like sometimes, for example, I'm really close to my cousins, so it might be a situation where
Call cousin so and so.
yeah, where y'all can just kind of dip out. Or it might be phone a friend. So phone a friend, phone a close family member, that's one thing. The second thing is trying to stick to your routine. Trying to bring one element of your routine into the plan. So like you said, with a lot of families, there's all kinds of people around. It's hard to stick to your bedtime. It's hard to stick to whatever your self-care is, whatever your process is. So your whole routine, including your eating habits, kind of go out the window.
100% out the window.
Like gone. Bye.
Eating habits. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm saying is pick one of those habits and try to keep them. So one of the plans I made with one of my clients is she's sticking to her bedtime. She's not sticking to any of her other things. So like her food and some other stuff that she's got going on. I'm not gonna put her business on the air. But one of the things that she's sticking to is she's gonna make sure that okay, I'm still gonna go to bed at this time because I know when I'm sleep deprived, my patience is much less than normal. So she has like this routine of trying to make sure she gets X amount of hours of sleep.
I got you.
So her second thing is her bedtime. And the third thing is, kind of remind yourself just that this is temporary and enjoy the family that you want to see and the people you want to be around.
Yeah.
Because holidays are really, for a lot of people, are fun.
And it's sometimes the only time you can see.
Yes.
I call them the ancestors. The actual elders.
Right.
That's one time you get to see everybody.
Mm-hmm.
The youngest one with the elders in the same room. I think that's big.
And definitely take pictures. I was actually just thinking, reflecting last year, I got to spend Thanksgiving with my ex, and we were together at the time. And his family is all from Wilmington.
Okay.
But a lot of them have moved to Chicago and California.
Mm-hmm.
So they come in for the holidays.
Mm-hmm.
So he gets to see aunts and uncles that he hasn't seen in forever.
Mm-hmm.
So we got to hang out, take pictures, have fun, play spades, chill. So the next, why you shake your head?
That's another anxiety.
Why?
In a black household, spades can be anxiety.
Listen, I was stressed because
right.
they were like, because I know I'm not as good as they are, and I don't play as much as they do. I was stressed. So his mom, shouts out to my ex's mom, his mom was like, all right, you're going to be my partner, and it's going to be okay. I'm like, okay.
No talking across the board.
And we won. I'm just saying, we won. And she was like, see, she's not that bad. She can play. She needs some practice. So my point is enjoy it, take pictures, make memories, but also take time for yourself and then have somebody that you can talk to, because just the process of venting about it is super helpful.
That's what it is. Stay locked, because we're going to find out how we can talk to you, too. Here's Sir Kendrick Lamar, Hair Down. That's Sir, S-I, Big R, featuring Kendrick Lamar. It's called Hair Down. Sometimes you got to do that when you get ready to get into, the holidays. You got to let your hair down and just hang out.
Oh, good point. Have fun.
Yeah, you got to have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
Everyone's just helping with the cooking, helping with the cleaning up, resting, clowning, joking.
Please don't work, no matter what you're doing, unless you absolutely have to work. But I'm saying, if you're one of those people that can I just, bonus round, real quick. If you get your work email on your cell phone, turn it off.
I can't do it.
Please, from a mental health perspective, unplugging from your cell phone and from work is super, super, super healthy. I'm begging you, like for real. And B, that goes for you too. I'm just saying. Like, people have your phone number. A lot of people have your phone number. So if it's an emergency, somebody will hit you up.
Yeah, they do.
And as for me,
You're going to get in trouble.
Actually, I'm about to lie. Let me not lie. My main work email does come on my phone, the work that means something to me. So the Healing Your Almond email does come on my phone. But I could potentially turn notifications off on Thursday.
Yeah. Hopefully nobody's emailing me on Thursday.
Well, I'm just saying. This goes out to everybody. Like, because I used to be, back in the day, I was the person that would step away from the dinner table to respond to an email or to respond to something. And there's a lot of me that regrets that.
Gotcha.
So I'm just saying, shout out to everybody that does that. This may be an opportunity to be the first year with celebrating holidays without the phone if you absolutely don't have to.
Gotcha. How do we see more or hear more or talk to you more?
Okay, well, all of our episodes are going to be posted on YouTube. So you just go to YouTube and then do a search for Healing Your Almond.
I didn't sign a waiver.
I know, we've talked about that. It's on my list of things to do. So go to YouTube and search for Healing Your Almond. And then also we have a Facebook, Healing Your Almond. And we have Instagram, Healing Your Almond.
Okay.
And we have Twitter, Your Almond.
Gotcha.
And my website is healingyouralmond.com, and that has my email address, it has a phone number, and then it also has a contact. So if y'all want to decide the first topic for December, whatever you guys want to talk about, whatever questions you have for B and I, you are
Okay.
welcome to put something there.
That's what it is.
Yep.
That's what we do. It's a wrap for the Big Ride Home. Like I always say, big up Southside, everybody, East, North Side, the Community Boys and Girls Club. Joe Lewis Drum and Drill Team is better. It's possible. Good is not enough. We'll be right back.